Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to the next episode, Administrative Unit in Entra ID. Let me explain you what is Administrative Unit first. So, Administrative Unit is a container in Entra ID. This can be purpose for a specific department where you can put users, you can put groups, you can put devices, and the main purpose of this administrative unit is to give some delegate control. Say example, we have 100 users, including Alex and end user 2. Both are a part of this administrative unit. Say all employees belongs to UK location. So this unit is based on the country. We have two offices in the world, UK and US. And I put all the members belongs to UK location into this administrative unit and given a delegated control permission to a user, end user. So this is end user 2, different user. This is simple end user. And say password admin. So what happened? This user having delegated rights on this department, so he can reset the password of any employee whose administrative unit is UK location. What is the advantage? This employee cannot change any password for any other user other than this administrative unit. So that is the main difference between giving a permission via RBAC and via administrative unit. So if you talk about definition perspective, administrative unit container contains users, groups, devices, and we give delegate administrative roles, and that to be without giving any tenant level permission. Example, same rights if I have given to the Azure RBAC, this user can change the password of any user in my tenant. But at this stage, these rights are tagged with the administrative unit. So within the administrative unit, he can change the password. Anything beyond this administrative unit, he cannot do. So these rights are totally tagged with administrative unit. So the use case can be a country and one user as a help desk admin only for that country, only for that department. It can be used for uh, schools, engineering. It can be for project. So example, you have a one specific project, specific department. So these purposes can be anything as per your requirement. Now I go back to my portal.azure, go to the Entra ID, go to administrative units, and create administrative units. All employees belongs to UK location. Restrict management administrative units. If you make it yes, your existing admin, example, I'm Kumar, which is having a existing global admin rights, it will not get any inherited permission. So if you want more restrictive, you can say yes. And in this administrative unit, I am doing a password admin who can reset the password for non-admin and password admins. And I'm making this to end user. So end user can change the password of any employee belongs to this administrative unit. So if I go to this administrative unit, I'll add some members, say end user 2. If you want to add that guy also who is having administrative rights, that's also fine because end of the day he is also part of this UK unit. So two members, end user and user two. End user is a having a delegated rights. Let's try to reset the password of end user two, and rights we have already given. If I go to the password admin, you see, yeah, it's already added two times, so it's okay. Looks good. I go back to refresh the token for end user and check users and try to change the password of end user 2 who is part of this UK unit. You see, he can do that. Let's try to change the password of any other user through this end user, say John, who is not part of this any administrative unit or not part of this UK unit. Logically, he should not change the password. So you see, this is totally tagged with a specific unit. He cannot do anything beyond that administrative units. Thank you everyone for joining this session. Thank you.